I just want to say welcome to sixth grade math with me, Mrs. Hill. I'm so excited to be your teacher, and I'm so glad that you're in my class this year. I just wanted to give you a little bit of information about me, and I wanted to let you know that I have a 2-year-old daughter named Carson. This is her right here. And I have one dog named Emma. This is my dog, Emma. She is a Chiweenie. She's very small. She's just like this big. And she's about 8 years old. And this picture is me and my daughter on a boat on Sunset. She's on my shoulders. This picture right here, this is my daughter and I fishing. And we caught a catfish. This is in our pond out back. We're living on a farm right now. This is my daughter in her swimsuit on the beach. We went to the beach this summer and it was so much fun. And this is her inside of a shark's mouth on the beach. They have a store there with a big shark. So that was so much fun. This will be my 8th year teaching. My favorite color is blue. And I don't have a favorite restaurant. Any kind of steakhouse is my favorite. I graduated college from Texas Woman's University. That's in Denton, Texas. And that's kind of close to Oklahoma. That's in North Dallas. And my hobbies include fishing. So I like to go fishing. I like to take my daughter fishing. And using my Cricut. And that's a machine to make things. So like I made my daughter's shirt right here. It says Carson Shark. And I used my Cricut. So I'm so excited to get to know you all this year.